If you want to set up time limits for apps on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to open Settings. Now in the Settings, scroll down in order to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Scroll down again in order to find App Limits, and now over here we have the list of apps, and we can create the time limit for an app by using this hourglass icon on the right side. So we can tap over here, set up the app limit. Let's say I'm gonna set it to 1.5 hours, then press OK, and there we go, we have the time limit set up. We can tap on the app itself in order to find information about the screen time. You can also find the app timer over here, so you can tap on the app timer in order to, for example, readjust it or delete it later. You can also do this by tapping on this hourglass on the right side again. And that is about it. Over here there is the option to remove limits, and that is essentially all we can do here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!